Hello everyone, this is my first video lecture after the introduction of my C# series. So this lecture will be the part of fundamentals. Actually, we are moving gradually upward to the advanced level. So I will explain fundamentals, then we will see the some advanced concept and we will move upward to more advanced concept. So let's see what is actually C# and what is .NET. A lot of beginners have no idea about C# and .NET. Sometimes they mingle the both terms up, and let me show you what is actually C# and what is actually .NET. So C# is a programming language, whereas .NET is a framework. So what actually framework is, why we are using framework nowadays. So .NET framework provide us ability to write different types of application which we can use on Windows, on desktop, or we can also build a web application by using .NET. So which programming languages we can use with a .NET framework? You can use any language, like you can use VB.NET, you can use C#, you can use F# language. So C# is actually a programming language that collaborates with .NET framework to develop so we can develop different kind of applications. I hope you understand the concept C# and .NET. So let's see what is actually .NET. .NET comprises of two things. Number one is CLR, Common Language Runtime. I will explain Common Language Runtime in a detail in the next video. So let's see what is actually class library. So let's say, for example, you have a program written in a C#. The program is what program is doing? Program is getting input from the user, and you are displaying output to the user. Just getting input and displaying output. So .NET Framework provides us different libraries which could help us in taking input from the user. I mean, if you are taking input from the user, there is some libraries that you can use in your C# program, so you can get the input from the user. And if you're displaying the output to the user, then definitely there will be a class library that you can use to get the to display the output to the user. So that is class library. Let me give you another example. Let's say if you have a program that is reading and writing a file, there will be a class library that you can use in your C# program to write a file and also to read a file. That's it for this lecture. I hope you understand the concept about C# versus .NET. I will explain CLR in the next lecture, and I hope you understand class library and .NET framework.